Hello, hello. I'm Daniel Ahmad. I'm from Sivan, Bihar, and alma mater cohort WD2401 student. Today, I'm going to explain my content project flashcard generator. The problem statement is given as I have to build a flashcard web app using React library and Redux, and for styling, Tailwind CSS. The app is straightforward. We should build a system that have functionality to create, manage, and show the information to the end user. Basically, we are making the flashcards with some handy features like share, downloads, and print. This app consists of this app consists of three pages: create flashcard, my flashcard, and display flashcard. Let's see one by one on my editor. Here is my editor.
So now here is my editor. You can see the SSA directory. In my SSA directory is my pages directory. The pages directory includes three files, that is create flashcard page, default page, and my flashcard page. First, I will explain the create flashcard page, which contains two forms. First for title, description, and upload image, and second form is term description and upload image. This could be multiple terms and the dynamic in nature. If the user based on the user input, if user interact with the add more and delete buttons, this could be lead to length changes. So yeah, here I'm importing useref use state from React. Useref, basically I'm using useref hook for focusing a particular DOM element. This could be input field text area, and used it for updating the state, managing the state. Here all are the React icons. I'm using use dispatch hook from React Redux for dispatching the reducer, form IK, form field array, field array from form, and these components are used for creating the form. And here importing set cards data from service cards. Here this is the reducer. For this I have to explain the all setup of Redux store and Redux reducers. For that I'm going to cards cards JS. Here my setup for the reducer initial state, updating the state, and updating local storage also. Here the initial state is empty array. If a user has the local storage data, then this will be the initial data for Redux store. And so yeah, this will be the straightforward. And here's my store setup: importing, create, configure store, flashcard slash, and here the configuration of store. This will pass to the app.jsx. Here I'm importing, sorry, index.js. I'm importing provider and store for configuring the provider for wrapping store, to to my app component, which is basically my main app component. For all the files are imported here, and using browser router I'm route all the paths here. And coming to my create flashcard, here the initial values for defining, this is the syntax of the form IK, and initializing the initial value from form IK component, passing on submit, the callback, the syntax of form IK for creating forms, the input field for create groups, input field for uploading image, and confirmation of image is uploaded or not. If uploaded, the React icon is shown in React icon is display for confirmation. The input description. here's the dynamic. For dynamic behavior, we have to use push and remove from field array, which is coming from the form ik component, form ik library, sorry. My remove method coming from the form ik. The delete button, if I hit the delete button, this will uh, remove the particular three fields from the actual DOM. And here add more button, if I hit the add more button, this will push the three new fields to the actual DOM. And lastly, we have the submit button. Let's see how submit button works. Form submit works. Here's my handle submit. Formatted the image for Redux store, just because the Redux store not supported the direct HTML file to add the store, so that I'm converting the image to base64 string for storing the all images to Redux store. And is my form data that is going to store at Redux store, and dispatching the reducer with payload of form data, and cleaning the all the state after submission. So yeah, that's it for this component. And I'm going to explain the my flashcard page here. In my flashcard page, I'm importing use state from React use selector. This is also a hook for getting the data from the Redux store. And display groups component for a child component for displaying the grid UI at the my flashcard page. Let me up this app on local storage so that I can explain easily. Okay, now npm run dev. Okay, now you can see the my app is running on localhost 3000. Here's my first form that includes two forms at the same time. And here the type technologies and languages, language dot. And you can see the functioning of upload image. I can upload any image file, and here also I can upload any image file. For that, I'm selecting an image. This will display here, and here the confirmation icon, here the tick will show here. And the functioning of add more button, this will add the three new fields to the DOM. And the edit button, this will focusing on the input field into DOM. And the delete button, this will delete the particular field here. So yeah, the create button, I'm creating a flashcard. And here's my flashcard page. This will show a grid like structure here, with see all, see few button toggling on the behavior of the UI. Let's see how I implemented this. I'm defining the threshold state, getting data from Redux store. For toggling, I'm using handle threshold. And here after getting the data from Redux store, I'm mapping the data and passing to the child component with props, values, all the data related data to, and passing threshold also. I will show you after the explanation how the threshold works. and toggling the text based on the threshold value here. Handle threshold, passing the handle threshold on click function. Let's see how display groups works. Accepting the props here, group name, group image, description, length. By default length I'm defining just because it based on length uh, I'm manipulating the threshold here. So why the requirement of this threshold is the first three card is the styling would be different, and second three cards style would be different. You can see here the first three card styling is different and the second three card styling is different here. When I toggle the see all button, it will be the all cards are same here. The threshold, if index less than threshold, the three cards are shown, and index less than 6, the three cards are shown with different styling. And based on the threshold, if threshold value is equal to the length of the data, this will show the all cards are same. Here you can see here, if I hit the threshold value is going to the length of the card, and now the threshold value toggling to the initial value. And last component of last page of the this app is show card data here. When I hit the view cards, this will take you to this URL with some parent value. Now it is 0. It is the basically it is the index value. And let's see how I implemented this. I'm importing all the React icons, selector, params, use navigation, navigate, PDF generate and custom hook. This will be here. Let me explain this also. I'm using JS PDF, JS auto table for creating PDF from the JSON data. Here's the logic I'm using. After creating the PDF, this will save the document, and once I hit the download button, this will download the PDF format of the JSON data. So now I'm destructuring the index that will pass here in my flashcard page. Here, DOM card page. Here you can see here I'm passing the index value to the URL. The setup is here, app.jsx. Here I'm defining the root with the parent value index that will be structured here. Based on the index value, I'm getting the particular data from the Redux store, and defining the states, copy model, and show data, group name, destructuring the group name terms. And here my crowdsource function is my copy function, has my download PDF function. I'm calling the here I'm calling the custom use generate PDF hook for making PDF from object or JSON data. As my header means it's a title of the particular group. Content is my content, main content. Image also, if no image provided, this will show the no image provided. And description, action buttons, share, download, print. And here's my setup. Here's my share buttons. This will pop up the model with some values. I can show you after the explanation. Yes, if copy function, handle copy function, the links of Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and close button also. You can see here the model. When I hit the share button, this will pop up a model with copy button. If I hit the copy button, this will copy it. And share button also, I hit close. The close button, the download button, this will download the particular data. And print also, this will print the entire screen. And navigations, here the navigation buttons. uh, Here's my title, description, crowdsource working. And and one thing I can explain the responsiveness of this app here. Different breakpoints, the main screen for desktop, iPad view, and now the mobile view. You can see the other pages also. All are the responsive. My flashcard page also. Based on the breakpoint, it will change the styling. So yeah, that's it for this video explanation.